Welcome back everyone to RTI Info channel. The all-new Hyundai Palisade 2026 coming to all markets, but besides basic trims, we are also waiting for the XRT off-road package for the new Palisade. Outside the SUV, you'll find a higher ground clearance, off-road wheels, bumpers, grille and other XRT styling elements and special color options. For the interior, XRT should get both options, 7-seater and 9-seater, just with new colors. We have illustrated the exterior and interior. Please take a look and let us know if you like such XRT design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.